Hello, my name is Jora. I am 20 years old and I am from Uzbekistan. Currently, I am a student at the Fergana Medical Institute. I am learning German and I am working hard to improve it every day. In my free time, I love reading books and listening to music. My dream is to work in Germany because I really admire how people they organize their work and how responsible they are. I am a very punctual person. I always follow the rules and I understand that discipline is very important at work. Getting an opportunity to work in Germany is very important to me, and I am ready to work hard and show my best side.